Same thing with the, let's say a different chord. So let's say I did something like this. And then I decide to use the 1 chord in C major as the 4 chord in my new key. And then maybe, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, something like that.
You went to F now? Yeah.
No, I went to G, I'm sorry. But no, actually, well, I was going to say maybe we should go to F. Do a different key. Yeah, let's change that. Let's see. Well, if we want to go to F, though, the common chords would be different, right?
3.
Well, you mean the 3 chord in the old key? No, I can't use that.
No,
But if I wanted to, let's say I wanted to go from C major to F major, what would be a good common chord?
oh, F major.
E minor.
No, F major. So if I'm in F major, the E chord has a flat in it. So from C major, so if I want to go from C major
Yeah,
The G?
to F major.
Yeah. Because I saw the G.
G.
Well, the G chord in C major is a B natural, but in F major it's
Oh, right.
it's a flatted note.
Oh, so the A.
I think some of the A would work, right? The A in C would be 6, and it could become 3 in the key of F. Or even better, the 2 chord in C would become 6 in F. So let's say I did that. Let's say I did 1, 6, 5, 1, 1, 6, and that became, do that again, so that becomes 6, 6, which I could then do 2, 5, 7, 1, something like that. So this chord, this D minor triad in C, this becomes 6 in the key of F. And then again, I follow it through, just remember that according to the diagram, 6 moves to 2, moves to 5, moves to 1. That still holds true. So if I'm in C major, and I do...
Once you modulate from the 2/6 to the 6/6 in F, you could go to the 3 chord if you wanted to, right? Because the 6 functions as 1.
No.
Because it's not a deceptive progression?
It's not a deceptive
I
progression.
see.
It's only if it's functioning as a
Okay.
deceptive progression. Yeah. Let me do that again. But if you did, so let's say you decided to use instead here, let's say you wanted to use the 6, so you did 1 to 6, that would change this to 3, but then you'd have to go through the whole 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 thing. What's in the new key. So if you decided to use that with a progression, it works. But that's what you're looking for in each of these modulations, is some sort of common chord. Or if you were going, let's do a minor key one. Let's say we wanted to go from C major to A minor. Okay. And again, we'll do some kind of 1, 2, 6, 5, 7, 1 progression. And then what would be a good common chord to get into A minor?
Oh, six.
The one is like 3.
6, yeah, 6 in C could become 1. Not the 3 chord though, because, not the 3 chord in C major, because that would be the E minor chord, and that's gonna become 5, and it's gonna be a major 5 in A minor, so that's probably not a good one.
You can also do 7, right?
Hmm?
You could also do the 7.
Yeah, you could use the 7 diminished
In A
as
minor,
a 2
you
chord,
do
yeah.
and the-
Actually, the diminished triad as a pivot chord is not often used. So the 6 would be good. The 2 chord in C would be good because that would become 4
4.
in A minor. That would be another possibility. And you could even use something like the F chord, the 4 chord in C, which would become the 6 chord in A minor. So if we, but let's say we did this one. I'm sorry, I put 6 there. So then that would change that, and then we do something like 5, 1. So this. Again, the object was to switch smoothly. And if, all these don't sound smooth, then you still want to try and find some way to accomplish that, to make it sound smoother. Or solidify the new key once you get there. And we're just kind of abbreviating this, but in the course of a piece, let's say, even 16 measures, you could easily get through all these harmonies and then have more time to reconfirm the new key. Okay. Now there are other kinds of modulations, but it'll be easier once we get everything set up and we know common chord modulations thoroughly. We can cover some of these other ones. Are there any questions? All right, let's do a little exercise first.